In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable image descriptions for screen readers in Microsoft Edge. This feature is incredibly useful for those who rely on screen readers to access visual content on the internet, providing them with a more comprehensive browsing experience. So, whether you're new to this or looking to help someone enhance their accessibility options, you're in the right place. First, let's open up Microsoft Edge on your device. Simply locate the Edge icon, which looks like a swirl of blue-green, and give it a click. Once you have the browser open, we'll proceed to the next step, which involves accessing the Settings menu. In the top right corner of the screen, you'll notice three small dots aligned vertically. This is your gateway to the Settings menu. Go ahead and click on these three dots, which will reveal a drop-down menu with a variety of options. Everyone's setup might look slightly different here, but don't worry, we'll guide you through. From this menu, you'll want to scroll down and find Settings. Selecting this option will take you to the main settings hub of Microsoft Edge, which is where you'll have access to all sorts of features and settings to customize your browsing experience. Once you're in the settings area, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You should see a list of different categories or sections of settings. Keep an eye out for the option labeled Accessibility. It's here that you'll find the tools designed to make your browsing experience more inclusive and tailored to your needs. Click on Accessibility, which will be somewhere in that list. Now you've landed in the Accessibility Settings section. This is where Microsoft Edge allows you to adjust and enable various features to provide a more accessible experience for all users. What you're specifically looking for is the option titled Get Image Descriptions for Screen Readers. Beside this option, there will be a toggle button. It's usually found on the right-hand side of the setting. If it's currently in the off position, simply click it to switch it on. This action will enable the feature allowing screen readers to provide image descriptions, which is a fantastic way to ensure users can fully understand and appreciate all content, even if it's visual. And just like that, you're all set. You've successfully navigated through the Microsoft Edge's settings to enable image descriptions for screen readers. This small tweak can make a big difference in providing a much richer and more informative browsing experience for those who depend on screen readers. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. We hope you found this guide clear and helpful, whether you're doing it for yourself or assisting someone else. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tutorials to make your digital life easier and more accessible.